Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Traveling Prof, and in today's 61st video in our Russian Word of the Day video series, we are going to learn how to say a sweet, or actually more specifically, sweets. These are very important in Eastern European culture. They have them all the time when they are drinking tea.
Сладости. Сладости.
The only thing to watch out for when pronouncing this word is that last syllable, t. In this case, the t is soft because it is followed by the vowel e. So make sure to put the middle of your tongue by the roof of your mouth and the tip of your tongue by your lower teeth before you pronounce this final syllable. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow with a new word of the day. Пока for now.
Сладости. Сладости.